Welcome to Eric's Graphics. I am Eric, and my mission is to make business feel more heartfelt. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another episode of Eric's Graphics. Today we're going to share with you 5 small but pro tips to make your drawing pop. This is going to leave a lasting impression to whoever's going to look at your drawing. If you haven't met before, I'm Eric Lung, the host of Eric's Graphics. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. Please leave a comment. It could be an addition or a question. I'm happy to read and answer to them. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit that little bell button next to it. You'll get notified of any new videos I'm making. And without further ado, let's hop into this video then. Thank you very much for watching my video. I love making these. Please leave a like and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, click on the little bell to get notified about new videos I'm making. See you soon in my next video. Take care. Hey, thank you for joining me in another episode of these 5 little details. Oh, okay, no. I'm almost there, man. I'm almost there. Eric's Graphics. Eric's Graphics. Eric's Graphics.